Speedbird 216 Heavy, wind 340 at 23 gust 30. Turn left to heading 350, one right clear for takeoff.
One right clear for takeoff and left head 350, Speedbird 216.
Speedbird 216 Heavy, contact Potomac departure. Good day.
Contact departure, Speedbird 216, fine. Speedbird 216, we've hit something on departure, not sure what it is.
What are your intentions then?
We'll continue at the moment. I think it's just a bird, but it just smells pretty bad in here right now.
Okay, no worries. You have time to copy a phone number so when you reach your destination you can call us if there is damage?
Yes, stand by 1 second. Speedbird 216, go ahead with the phone number.
Okay, Speedbird 216 Heavy, you can continue your climb, climb and maintain 10,000.
Climb and maintain 10,000, Speedbird 216.
And Speedbird, the phone number is 571.
571. Speedbird 216.
Thank you, Speedbird. Just call us if you find damage when you reach your destination. You can contact departure now. Have a good night.
Okay, see you soon, Speedbird 216. Thanks for your help.
Speedbird 216 Heavy, turn right direct to Riggin.
Right direct to Riggin, Speedbird 216 Heavy. Boston Center, Speedbird 216 Heavy, flight level 350.
Speedbird 216, Boston Center.
This is Boston, Speedbird 216. We need to declare an emergency. We need to do a diversion into Boston, please.
Speedbird 216, Roger, and you are cleared to the Boston Airport via radar vectors. Now you can fly a heading 075.
Okay, well, heading 075, the reason for diversion, we had a bird strike on departure from Washington, and there's impact of fumes in the cabin, and it's uncontrollable. But at the moment, we'll need to go to Boston.
Speedbird 216, Roger, and descend of house discretion to maintain 11,000, the Boston altimeter 2967.
Then when pilot discretion 11,2967 will be the 216.
And Speedbird 216, for your flying purposes on the descent, I can get you direct here in just a few minutes.
Okay, that's copied. We've got a load of checklist set up to do. Can you just confirm we can expect ILS 22 left in Boston?
Speedbird 216, affirmative, 22 left.
Thanks, Speedbird 216. We'll stay level for the moment, and once I've got something set up in the box, then I'll call you back.
Speedbird 216, Roger, I'll keep you on this heading for now, and when you're ready to go in, let me know.
Thank you.
And Speedbird 216, whenever you have a moment, fuel remaining and souls on board.
Okay, Speedbird 216, we've got 48 tons of fuel on board, and it's 243 plus 15 crew.
Speedbird 216, Roger, thank you.
And Speedbird 216, are we able to proceed direct to point Hotel Alpha Victor Romeo Delta?
Speedbird 216, you're looking for Hotel Alpha Victor Romeo Delta?
Yeah, A-Span, just to point us in the right direction. It's somewhere that I know.
And Speedbird 216, approved as requested.
Okay, we'll go direct to Abbott Speedbird 216 then.
And Speedbird 216, are you on oxygen?
Negative, Speedbird 216. The flight deck's okay, but it's in the cabin, the smell is bad.
Speedbird 216, Roger.
Speedbird 216, we'd like to commence descent now. Are we still clear 11,000?
Speedbird 216, affirmative, descend and maintain 11,000.
So maintain 1000, speedbird 216, thanks.
Super 216, contact Boston approach 120.6.
Boston now 1206, speedbird 216, goodbye. Boston approach, speedbird 216 on a diversion, descending 1000 through flight level 260, we have information, Papa.
Seabird 216 heavy, Boston approach, fly heading a 050, vector ILS runway 22 left, flight pick up Quebec.
Okay, we'll get Quebec and we're now heading 050, speedbird 216. We'll let you know if there's any issue regarding us being radar vectored in too early, then we'll let you know.
Seabird 216 heavy, say again, does that maintain 5,000?
So maintain 5,000. If we're not ready to commence the approach, we'll let you know.
Seabird 216 heavy, roger. I'm going to vector out to the northeast and I can box you around out there, just advise you ready to go into runway 22 left.
Thanks for that, Seabird 216.
Seabird 216 heavy, amend your altitude, maintain 9,000.
Send 9,000, Seabird 216. And Seabird 216, just confirm the altimeter please for Boston.
Seabird 216 heavy, Boston altimeter is 2968, 2968.
2968, thank you, Seabird 216.
Seabird 216 heavy, and do you want equipment standing by when you're landing as well as people at the gate, or would you like...
Sorry, say again for Seabird 216.
Seabird 216 heavy, would you like fire and rescue standing by at the runway and EMS at the gate, or do you want just fire rescue?
At the moment we have an uncontrollable fume event in the rear of the aircraft here. However, it's not got to the stage where we're going to evacuate the aircraft. However, that may well occur. So if the fire services could follow us after landing, and then if we have to initiate anything, they're there standing by.
Seabird 216 heavy, you can expect that.
Roger, thank you.
Seabird 216 heavy, turn right heading 140, and you are clear to Boston Airport via radar vector.
Roger. Seabird 216, we're happy to take a left turn actually now and go have extended downwind.
Seabird 2 and go heavy, so you ready to go in now?
Yeah, I think so, yeah, please go ahead, Seabird 216.
Seabird 216 heavy, descend maintain 5,000, turn left heading 330, vector ILS 22 left.
Radar vector 22 left, heading 330, descending altitude 5,000, Seabird 216.
Seabird 216 heavy, and amend your heading, fly heading a 350.
Heading 350, Seabird 216.
Seabird 216 heavy, contact approach 126.5.
165, Seabird 216. Boston, Seabird 216 heavy, with you heading 350 degrees, descending altitude.
Seabird 216 heavy, turn left heading at 340, descend and maintain 4,000.
Left heading 340 degrees, descend altitude 4,000, Seabird 216.
Seabird 216 heavy, any special speed on final you need?
Negative, Seabird 216.
Seabird 216 heavy, what was your original destination, Heathrow?
A-firm, Seabird 216, and we're ready to take further left if it works for you.
Seabird 216 heavy, roger, fighting 320.
320, Seabird 216.
Seabird 216 heavy, turn left heading 290.
Left head 290, Seabird 216.
16, go ahead.
For the information for the tower, we'd like to remain on the runway after landing in order just to contact the cabin and see what the environment's like where they are.
Seabird 216 heavy, turn left heading 270, speed 190. Caution light turbulence going to follow heavy 350.
Okay, left heading 270 degrees, and we're reducing to, 210, was that, Steve? Oh, sorry, 190, Seabird 216.
190 for now. Seabird 216 heavy is 3 miles from Noli, turn left heading 250, maintain 4,000 until established on a localizer, cleared ILS runway 22 left approach, maintain 170 knots to focus.
So 170 knots to focus, we're going to turn left heading 250 degrees cleared onto the ILS, 22 left and maintaining 4,000 until we're established, Seabird 216. Seabird 216, we'd like to do 160 to focus please.
Seabird 216 heavy, 160 knots to focus.
Thank you, 160 to focus.
216 Heavy, contact Boston Tower 134.05.
134.05, Speedbird 216. Boston Tower, Speedbird 216.
Speedbird 216, Boston Tower, Logan, emergency service frequencies are on this frequency. Runway 22 left, clear to land, caution wind turbulence following heavy Airbus 350, 2-mile final. Vehicle will follow you down the runway.
Okay, Speedbird 216, we're clear to land, runway 22 left, and for your information, once we've landed, we'd like to remain on the runway and just assess what the cabin environment is like before we make a decision whether we vacate.
Speedbird 216 Heavy, roger, not a problem at all.
Okay, thank you. We're intending to vacate probably around the intersection with runway 27, around that area.
Got it. Frequency if you'd like to communicate with anything.
Okay, Logan Command, Speedbird 216. Okay, when we departed Washington, we had a bird strike with a large bird of prey. It hit the underside of the aircraft, which I think has impacted our air conditioning system. So the only consequence of that is the fact that our cabin has a fume event in the cabin. We're just assessing that now with our cabin crew team, and we'll let you know what we're going to do from there. Yeah, okay, we're just getting information from the cabin crew. I'll call you back in a second. Logan Command, Speedbird 216. They're just out to the cabin crew, and they say the cabin fume event is dissipating, so we are quite happy for us to vacate the runway and taxi to a gate, but it's for you guys to follow us just in case there's any other impacts when we taxi between here and our terminal building. Much indeed, but at the moment the conditions are good in the cabin. We'll taxi to the gate.